Who wants some free stuff? The fine folks at Creative Fabrica have gone a little wild and they've offered up this bundle for free. This is an SVG mega bundle and it's 20 plus different quote bundles. So you get all of this completely free, commercial and personal use allowed. Now, at the time of this recording, it says 3 days and 7 hours. However, it takes me a little bit of time to edit these videos together. So by the time you see this, it's probably going to be about 2 days left. I would recommend grabbing this ASAP. Now, you might be asking yourself, Zen, what is the catch? There is no catch. These are all completely free to use. And what you can do is when you click this download button, it's going to ask you to quote unquote purchase it. It's for $0.00. And when you purchase it, it sits in your account forever. So you don't need to download everything. You don't need to go buy a hard drive and stick all this stuff on the drive. It sits on your account forever. I'm going to show you what that looks like right now. Okay, so I have the all access subscription, and what that means is everything on the website for me is quote unquote free. You'll notice there's no prices next to anything. But what I can do is I can go up to the top and I can look under my profile, and I've got a little tab right there. It says My Downloads. And when I click on that, I can see all the different downloads that I've used over the years. And this is great because I can just simply re-download it again if I want to. I don't need to keep it all on my hard drive. This is really nice. I can also search by file name as well. So if you've got hundreds and hundreds of downloads, not a problem. Okay, so what's included in this bundle? Well, as you can see here, all of this is included. There's mom bundles, there's adventures and outdoor bundles, there's all-American bundles. Okay, so when you go to download the bundle, you're going to see all these parts here along the right-hand side. There's 16 parts to this design bundle. This is how big this is. So I'm actually just going to pick one here at random to show you how this works. I'm going to click download the mega bundle part 10. And each bundle can be anywhere from a few megabytes to a really large file size. Like this part 10, for example, is 161 megabytes. Now I'm in Windows Explorer, and here's the 3 bundles that make up part 10 of that download. So I'm going to click on Baby SVG Bundle Free, and we can see here's all of the different things that are included inside this bundle. So I'm going to go Crazy Cat Baby, and I'll go large icon, and we can see here is the actual PNG file. My computer shows PNGs with a black background for some reason. Obviously it would not be black, but we can see it says Crazy Cat Baby, and this can be great if you're using this inside of Photoshop, for example. So here's an example of what the Photoshop file would look like, or the EPS file. Either way, you could open it up in Affinity Photo or Photoshop, and you can just edit this like a normal picture. So you could put this on a t-shirt or a fine art print. The options really are endless. If you're interested in exploring this bundle farther, I highly recommend you download it. And if you're interested in getting the subscription, I've got a deal here where you can get everything for the first month for $1 measly. I'm going to put a link to that in the video description as well. Just a heads up, it is an affiliate link. That just means if you purchase anything on Creative Fabrica, I would receive a small commission. I highly recommend Creative Fabrica for print on demand. I think it's a great tool for any walk of life. If you're doing schoolwork or teaching, even for personal use or for crafting, I absolutely love Creative Fabrica and I use it all the time. Here's another video on why I think Creative Fabrica is one of the best in the business to help you with print on demand. Thanks a lot for watching. Enjoy those freebies.